video is going to be a wear test, a super highly requested video ng Forencos Lip Tattoo Velvet Tint. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Forencos, but whatever. But before that, we're looking a little bit plain here, so bigyan ko na rin kayo ng very quick makeup tutorial to go with the lip product.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Close all the curtains. Stay on the phone. We are the monsters holding you still. We are the gallows up on the hill. Answer the question. Is God on your side? We'll be together. We're the rebel tide. We are the
Alright Guys, so we are done with the makeup. Now it's time for me to review the Forencos Lip Velvet Tattoo. So I got this at Lazada for the 6/6 sale, and I got it for like 400 something. But right now, the original price is 593. And then meron silang mini version ito, mini tint. Yeah, that's what it says here, for 497. So basically, this is 600 pesos plus shipping fee, which is 50 pesos. So mga nasa 650 more or less. It's actually very cute, kaya lang parang medyo mauga in a very slight. And then it's a doe foot applicator, very soft. By the way, the shade that I got is number 16 ruler. I got the red shade, of course. Okay, bago ko sabihin yung pros and cons, let me show you the wear test that I did the other day. Okay, let's go with the pros first. Yung mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Una sa lahat, it's really creamy. It's really soft on the lips. It's velvety. Very easy to apply. Very pigmented. At ang gusto ko sa kanya, particularly this shade, is it's nagsistain siya. I also like the packaging. Mukha siyang socialera ng very slight. Pero hindi pa rin siya, hindi siya mabig. I mean, for 600, sakto lang. It's plastic. It's not glass. Now, I don't know why it's called tattoo velvet tint, because when you say tattoo, alam mo yun, yung super nagstain, super long-lasting. But guys, this is not kiss-proof. This is not transfer-proof. This is not mask-proof whatsoever. So I'm like, what's so special? Anong meron sa kanya na hindi ko, anong meron sa kanya na wala sa Mersey, sa Milk Touch, anong meron sa kanya na wala sa Perfect Diary even, and sa Sunny Space even, yung lip dip, and sa Happy Skin Lip Mallows. And those products are like much more affordable than the Forencos one. So to be completely honest, nothing so special. Nothing I've never experienced before. Meron ako nakikitang parang commercial nito na nilagay daw niya. Ginanon niya yung tissue, whatever, and nothing transferred, and it lasting for a very long time. Honey, no. Long-lasting siya in a way na yung tint niya, hindi siya like mabubura agad. Alam mo yun? Pero dahil, ba't nila nilagyan ng silatang tattoo? So I'm like, umasa talaga na there's something super special about this. So honestly, in my experience, using this one for a couple of times na, it's expensive for what it offers, and misleading yung salitang tattoo. So, do I recommend this? Honestly, maganda naman yung quality ng product. Hindi naman siya patapon. May masasabi naman siya. Ganda rin naman, o, diba? Pero, alam mo yun, inaasahan ko kasi yung tattoo channeling kembot. Eh, wala naman akong naranasang tattoo channeling kembot. And I can achieve this finish, this look, this shade, using a mas affordable na product. Again, this is not a bad product. It's actually good. Pero there are more affordable brands that can do what this can. Ngayon dahil, nagre-recommend ako sa inyo ng mga lip product na 400, 500, and 600 pesos. If via Caris, yung Caris shop ko. Kasi doon, I'm pretty sure na free yung shipping mo and then you get another product for free. Like a full size, and kung hindi man full size, like many products for free. So, alam mo yun, sulit na kahit paano yung 400, 500, 600 pesos mo. Pero kung eto, like, bibili mo sa Lazada, sa Shopee, wherever, and it's like 600. And then, may shipping fee pa. Kung mayaman ka, dai, go! So, what else can I say? Honestly, that's it, you guys. So, ayan na. Napagbigyan ko na yung request nyo na Forencos Tattoo Velvet Tint. It's the first and the last time that I'm gonna buy itong Forencos Tattoo Velvet Tint because it's too expensive for what it can do. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Comment down below kung meron pa kayong gustong i-request na i-wear test ko or i-lipswatch ko. Kung kaya ng budget, I'm a lipswatch it die. Pero kung hindi kaya ng budget, antayin nyo. Antayin nyo magka-budget ako, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then yung mga social media accounts ko, if you want to get in touch with me, nasa description box below. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!